Tonight in the UK, phase 3 clinical trials for AstraZeneca's coronavirus vaccine are back on after hitting the brakes earlier this week when a participant got sick.
How often do these trials start and stop?
This is very common to happen in clinical trials for drugs, for vaccines, but typically we don't hear about them because there's not much attention paid to those trials.
In a statement, the company said in part on September 6th, the standard review process triggered a voluntary pause to allow review of safety data, adding trials in the UK are safe to resume. Around 18,000 people have received the vaccine that's being developed in partnership with the University of Oxford. The team is considered one of the frontrunners in the race for a COVID-19 vaccine.
This does slow them down a bit, and I think we're going to see more and more of that as time goes on. But what it does show is, number one, that the safety protocols are being looked at very carefully.
Back in the U.S., growing concerns over COVID clusters, especially on college campuses. In Ohio, police cited several people at a house near Miami University during the Labor Day weekend. Body camera footage captured a stunning exchange between an officer and a student.
Where there's an input on the computer that you tested positive for COVID?
Yes.
When was this?
This was a week ago.
Are you supposed to be quarantining?
Yeah, that's why I'm at my house.
Do you have other people here and you're positive for COVID?
And for the second time in 1 week, hundreds packed a New York City park. A party with few masks and little to no social distancing.
Everyone's having so much fun. This is not this is harmless. Honestly, it's harmless. I love it, and I'm so happy I'm here.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.